Hello, I'm with LCC students. Introduce yourselves.
Stephanie. Ati. Lois.
And Lois. And we have
Hi, Vincent.
Vincent. So they're going to interview me.
Where yung background like sa arts, ano gini mo, like arts in yung course na
Unfortunately, no. I always wanted to be an artist, but during that time, I was not allowed to take up formal art schooling because this is what my, especially my mother, she came from a time it wasn't safe. It was after the war. So to them, the safest and most ideal place is to be in an office. For people coming from their generation, they cannot imagine what would life be as an artist. So it wasn't encouraged.
Yes, how do you balance being an artist and working at the same time?
Yes. In like being an officer, I surround myself with artworks. There's my abstract over there. It always reminds me how I experimented with paint. So everything you can do with paint, it's all there. All the behavior and characteristics of paint. That and my art experiments. I also carry with me every day my art journal. It's in my bag. In the office, you get your bread and butter, but your life is art.
when kabisa ka started with the, like your art career, like
I've been drawing since. If you're artist, diba, you always remember that you've been drawing walls,
yes.
books. We've been through that, and only that in my case, there was an interruption because you had to study, you had to study something else. It's really in there. It's really in there, and when I found more time to devote myself to art, especially when I got separated. So when I got separated, I had more time for myself. I was down, I was depressed, I was lonely, I had nothing to do. So I resorted to art first as therapy, first to myself. And then it just took off. It just blossomed into a career.
what's like your medium?
Always fascinated with acrylic and oil. I had workshops in watercolor, pen and ink, charcoal, so a lot of those things, except acrylic and oil. So whenever I would see those paintings, I would always wonder, what's it made of? Busik-sik ko ganyan. I took pains really to study it. What's a canvas? How do you create it? Where do you buy that? If it's more durable, or I didn't get my hands on. Whereas as students, the most accessible instrument would be our pencil, our pens, and we would doodle on our notebooks, our books. So we have a lot of experience na using pens and then watercolor because that's what's always prescribed to us in school. And then we discovered that watercolor turns out to be the most difficult medium.
Influences that influenced a lot of your work.
One of the greatest teachers that I consider was Arturo Cruz. We discovered each other online. So, Mabini artists were those artists who worked at Mabini and they sold their paintings along Mabini Street in Ermita. Long story short, his talent in Australia was recognized because he's a really great painter. LCC grade 12 student, see you on YouTube.